Cut your design in reverse using your computerized vinyl cutter. We have our cut pieces of glitter cut down to manageable sizes, and we weeded away the excess material and the cavities within. Now we have our heat press set to 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius. You're going to be set to a firm pressure, and your application time should only be 10 to 15 seconds. So now we have our two his and her shirts, both uncoated polyester, which glitter will work for. So what we're going to do is preheat, take out for 2 to 3 seconds, taking out the wrinkles and moisture. Then we're going to lay down our background color, I should say. And now with Siser glitter, there's the 1 second tack trick. Now we're going to hit this for 1 to 2 seconds. Hot peel. And what that does is it eliminates any kind of shrinkage so that your registration isn't off when you apply your foreground. So now we're going to lay our foreground color. Take our cover sheet and apply this for the full 10 to 15 seconds. Alright, now we're going to go do the exact same thing you just saw here, but to 100% cotton tank top. We have a 4-color design, but the way I designed this was that you can apply them all at the exact same time without having to do one color at a time, because none of the carriers touch each other. Now, we do not suggest layering 2 glitters on top of each other. Now, you can layer glitter on top of other materials of ours like Easy Weave, but we'll get into that later. So what I'll do, same thing, preheat this cotton t-shirt. Take out the wrinkles and moisture. Now we're going to layer cut pieces down. Cover sheet, and then we're going to apply this for 10 to 15 seconds.